Did you know that the average small business spends over $5,000 a year on just one piece of professional software? We're talking about graphic design suites, video editing powerhouses, project management platforms, the list goes on. What if I told you that you could slash that cost to absolute zero, thanks to the insane power of artificial intelligence? Stick around, because you're about to discover the AI tools that are about to make your expensive software subscriptions obsolete. Forget those annual subscription fees that drain your bank account. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI-powered tools that are not only incredibly powerful but also, in many cases, completely free. We're talking about replacing your pricey Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Trello with cutting-edge AI that can do the heavy lifting for you, often with better results and a fraction of the effort. Get ready to have your mind blown as we count down the top 5 AI tools that are set to revolutionize your workflow and your budget. Okay, let's kick things off with a tool that's already a household name but has been supercharged by AI, Canva. While Canva has always been accessible, its recent AI integrations are pushing it into territory previously dominated by Adobe Photoshop. Think beyond just templates. Now, you can use AI to generate images from text prompts, remove backgrounds with uncanny accuracy in seconds, and even magically expand your existing images. Need a whimsical unicorn in a psychedelic forest? Type it in. Need to make that product photo pop by removing the messy background? One click. This isn't just about making pretty graphics, it's about democratizing design. Previously, you needed dedicated design software